Studying abroad is much more than any student can imagine. When you're out there in the world and interacting with people, doing your own thing, you grow so much as an individual, and that is unparalleled. I am Rajeshwari Tikhile and I'm from India, and I'm a student right now in Sydney at Jain School of Global Management. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Business Administration, majoring in finance, and I'm working at Export Connect.
Export Connect is an export advisory and consultancy service, and as a company we are in the startup phase. Recruiting international students is a huge help to not only the productivity of your organisation, but the morale and the culture. We're really grateful for the personal qualities that they bring, as well as the intellect and clear drive to learn.
I wanted to work somewhere where I could get hands-on experience to understand how businesses work. So I started off as a project intern, and now I'm working as their accounts manager. The people I work with, they have not only been excellent colleagues but mentors to me. It's always been a very conducive place for me to learn, grow and ask questions.
Sydney has a diversity of industries and employment opportunities, and our business is just thriving because of the talent that comes to us. And we're so lucky that the international students have chosen to come to Sydney because we get to be here and welcome them into our team.
In and around New South Wales, there's so many things to do. You have so much diversity. You have world-class multinationals, you have the best national parks, the beaches. It's still a treat to be here every single day.